Hello, everybody. This is CrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and today I have I have several unboxings, but today we're only unboxing one, and then 5 minutes I'll unbox another in a different video. Anyways, let's check out a stupidly cheap MP3 player. So let me just grab these and set them down there. So this quite literally just came in the mail via UPS, and there is what you're greeted with: FecPecu, whatever. Life continuously changes every day. We struggle to cope with it. So we need to stop and relax. Only music always stays with us. Enjoy music on the go. And this is the same quote thing that's on their Amazon page. Anyways, I went ahead and broke the seal. There is the Amazon thingy. And what's that? Company. Oh, we got a statement. Oh, wait, what? The company always strives to provide customers with high-quality products and perfect service. If you meet any problem when operate our product, please tell us. We will help you at the first time. Your good advice is very important for us to improve our company's product and service. Thank you. Or thanks. Not bad. Just definitely can tell this was written by somebody that doesn't natively speak English, which is perfectly fine because I can barely speak English and that's the only language I speak. So, is one of your best friends. Aww. So, here is the unit. Blue, black, 8 gig FM, 5 volt, 500 milliamp, trans flash, microphone on off, USB. And in here we have a USB cable, micro, very pliable. A set of headphones that look like Apple headphones. Oh my. And we have a booklet. And the booklet... Nope. Nope. And there's the how to use it. Charge input. 200 volt or 200 milliamp hour. What else? How to use it. More how to use it. What it can support. AMV, AVI, JPEG, GIF, text files, lyrics, alarm clock. Wow, this thing has all kinds of stuff. 30 hours of continuous music playback. Interesting. So there's the two accessories. Probably never going to open them. And let's take this little guy out of the baggie. Oh, it's stuck to the front. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, and it has a little piece of whooshy plastic. Plastic, yay. Fuck. Okay. Hold on. I'm used to doing this with my left hand, so I had to flip the phone. So on the bottom, we have an on-off slider. So if we slide that... Hey, it has charge. Welcome. But wow, that was fast. Record, radio, photo. No photo. Okay, so center is play, pause, but it is also back. M is go. Ebook, go. Nothing. Back. What? Oh, browser is in browser. Okay, tools. Alarm and bricks. Aw, yeah. Oops. Start game. Oh, it's Tetris. Cool. How do you leave? How do you leave? Oh, whoop. I just soft powered it off by holding the center button. Okay. So you can soft power off settings. Record settings, text settings, radio, FM. Okay. Yeah, let's just get out of this. Music. All music. Okay, it comes with 2 songs. Call Me Maybe and Let It Go. Oops. That might have been too long. Shit. I'll cut that shorter. Hold on. Let's just start that over. And it has Let It Go. Okay, 2 seconds. That's all I can play. Oh, shit. Call Me Maybe. Yeah, I'm not going to play that. Shit. No. Back. Movie. Tom and Jerry AVI. What? Alright. That's Tom and Jerry. I want to there we go. Exit. Voice recorder. Pause. It has a mic somewhere, I guess, or maybe it uses the mic on the headphones. No clue. Stop. Nope. Fast forward. Rewind. Okay. I don't know how to play back. I don't know how to get out either. Because as soon as I hit play, it starts... fuck it, I'll just power it off and back on. It doesn't have a back button. It needs a back button. But, alright. So, let's go to the file manager. Browse. That. Oh. Record. Not really even sure. Cool. No. Yes. Anyways. So, I'm curious. Just replaying shit constantly. Okay, so I could hear my voice. I don't know if you could hear it, but I could hear it. So, yeah. My curiosity is, what's inside? There can't be much, and I don't see any screws, so let's see if I can pop this open. So, be right back. Okay, that was quite easy. I just literally took my nail around the edge, and that's it. So we have a, well, is that a piezo or a regular speaker? And it's glued down, it feels. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at all that adhesive. Nah, it's not a... it's a speaker. It's not a piezo like I was thinking it might be. What else is here? Focus. Hold on, let me turn on the light. There we go. So, yeah, that looks like SK Hynix. No, just SK. Yep, SK Hynix. Oh, come on, focus. Whatever that says. So, headphone, USB in, little switchy dude. Crystal. Wait, there's two crystals. One has a shield around it, one doesn't. And that's it. Wow. It has a battery. And, whoop, there's the screen. Alright. Battery's kind of sealed to the screen. Where's the micro? Interesting. Hold on. Just pulled the battery off, and as you can see there, it is a 420 milliamp hour battery. Okay, so I went in and took out the 4 screws that was holding it down, and there is our micro. It is an ATJ2127. No idea. This is really, really simple. So you got the memory card, and this, you can see the tracks coming into the micro, all the controls. Quite interesting. Anyways, that's it. That's interesting to me. So, I did get this product at a discount, of course. I don't think I hardly ever buy anything that's not at a discount anymore. Anyways. So, yeah, that's interesting. So, this has been Anthony, also known as CrypticNexus, with the whatever that's called. 8GB MP3 video player thing. As I said, I did get this at a discount from the reviewer for an honest and unbiased review, and yeah, honestly, it's $21 on Amazon. No, I don't think it's worth $21. I mean, it might be worth it, but you can see what's in it, which is very, very, very minimal, and I paid under $1 for it, for full disclosure. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and you'll see me in the next video. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I upload videos. Subscribe down below, and have a nice day. Bye! Before you ask, yes, it still works. Just fine. Never heard Let It Go, but this actually sounds really good. Grant, I'm using a $2 pair of headphones that I own, but doesn't sound bad, I have to say. Anyways, enough with this video already. Bye.